the question is, if nuclear fusion or some other technology becomes very cheap, would we then need to build data centers in space? I'd say there's 2 points on that. Number one is um, the total energy cost we're targeting is considerably lower than the lowest forecast I've ever seen for nuclear fusion. I think the lowest forecast I've ever seen for nuclear fusion was 20 cents per kilowatt hour from Helion Energy. We're targeting 0.2 cents per kilowatt hour, including the launch cost. So about 100 times cheaper. So even
Yeah,
if
wow.
even if fusion comes in at 2 cents per kilowatt hour, so that's number one. Number two is that there comes a point, and you can debate where that point is, but the rough back of the envelope math is it's somewhere between 10x total current energy usage and 100x current total energy usage, where it's not so much the carbon emissions or anything like that, but purely the waste heat from data centers and from energy production and usage on Earth drives the global temperature up so significantly that you start having huge problems, much greater warming effects and much greater problems than you would have with global warming. So you can debate about where that point happens, but at some point you just have to build data centers in space, or you have to build high energy use things in space. And it could be that you power them with nuclear fusion power plants. Nuclear fusion comes to 0.2 cents per kilowatt hour. My suspicion is that solar panels are dirt cheap, and they are actually an extremely effective way of producing energy in space, more effective than nuclear fusion would be. But
Yeah.
it could be, I mean, it could be that you would need to do it with nuclear fusion. Either way, the technology we're building is how do we make chips run in a high radiation environment, and how do we dissipate heat in a vacuum? Those two pieces of IP will be valuable in either of those two scenarios
Yeah.
in terms of where the power source comes from. So yeah, I mean, I'm very hopeful that fusion works. I'm a bullish on it, and I hope it works. But I don't think it solves the problem.